My name is Shreya Sethia and I'm your social science teacher. Today we are going to study geography chapter number 1. Name of the chapter is the earth in the solar system of class 6th. So let's start with its hard words. First word is celestial body, CELESTIAL, celestial. Bodies, BODIES, bodies. Meaning of this word is all the object that we see in a sky are called celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. Next is gigantic, 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 gigantic. Meaning of this word is things which are super big or giant. They are called gigantic, extra big, extra large, right? Next word is tremendous speed, TREMENDOUS, tremendous speed, SPEED, tremendous speed. Meaning of this word is high speed, at very high speed. Next is faint bend, FAINT, faint bend, BAND. So our galaxy is a faint bend like this. This is called faint bend. Next is spix. Spix. Meaning of this word is, or pronunciation, SPECKS. Spix. Meaning of this word is a kind of tiny sport. A tiny sport. Next word is emit, EMITS, emits. Meaning of this word is release or radiate. Next word is cluster, CLUSTERS, cluster, clusters. Meaning of this word is group. Cluster means group. Now, constellation, CONSTELLATION, constellation. Meaning of this word is group of stars in a specific pattern or joined with the imaginary line is called constellation. Next is elliptical, 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 right? Elliptical orbits. Actually, this planets revolve around the sun in an elliptical ऑर्बिट. ये सन है और इनके अराउंड एक इलिप्टिकल ऑर्बिट में प्लैनेट्स रिवॉल्व करते हैं, राइट? इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ शेप. इलिप्टिकल इज अ शेप. देन नेब्यूली, nebula, NEBULAE, nebula. Meaning of this word is a giant cloud or a huge big cloud which is made up of dust and gases, which is present in our solar system or in universe. Example, Akash Ganga. Okay, next, terrestrial planets, TERESTRIAL, terrestrial planets, PLANETS, planets. Okay, now terrestrial planets, it means Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are terrestrial planets. They are also called inner planets. So terrestrial planets means inner planets, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Next is intensely, INTENSELY, intensely. It means very strong or serious. ASTEROIDS, asteroids. Meaning of this word is asteroids are the kind of small celestial or heavenly bodies which are similar to planet, and they revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Elliptical orbit में रिवॉल्व करते हैं सन के अराउंड, और ये प्रेजेंट होते हैं मार्स और जुपिटर की ऑर्बिट के बीच में, between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. They are called asteroids. Next word is meteoroids. Meteoroids. Meteoroids are some small pieces of rock which revolves around the sun, right? And next word is satellite. 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 Satellite means a small heavenly body which revolves around the planets, right? They are called satellite. For example, moon. Moon is the satellite of Earth. Next word is comets. 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 Meaning of this word is they are small or glowing heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun in an elongated orbit, in a long orbit, long, or which is huge in shape. They are called comets. Next word is elongated. 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 Meaning of this word is something which is long than usual. जो long से भी बड़ा हो, it means which is larger than long. Unusually जो चीज़ें long होती हैं वो elongated कहलाती हैं. Next is velocity. 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 Meaning of this word is the speed at which something moves in a direction is called velocity. A kind of speed is called velocity. Then rotation. 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 Meaning of this word is जब planets अपनी ही orbit पे move करते हैं, that movement is called rotation. अपनी ही axis पे जब move करते हैं, that is called, ये एक्सिस है, जब अपनी ही एक्सिस पर रोटेट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन. एंड नेक्स्ट इज रिवॉल्यूशन. REVOLUTION. Revolution. It means, suppose this is sun and these are planets and earth. ये जो movement है, this movement is called revolution. Okay. So there are two types of movement, rotation and revolution. Next word is Akash Ganga. AKASH. Akash. GANGA. Ganga. Akash Ganga. It's a galaxy to which we belong. This is also known as Milky Way galaxy. Okay. Then next word is enormous. 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 It means very big or great, right? There are enormous stars present in Milky Way galaxy, which is meaning is there are big numbers of stars present in Milky Way galaxy. Word is geode. It means the structure of Earth is called geode. It means slightly flattened from both the ends, from North Pole and South Pole, right? The shape of Earth is geode.